Sister Estella. I am here to share the knowledge of how you as human beings can heal galactic trauma. Opening the portal to the multiverse through acceptance of the soul's journey and the energy of time. Trauma is only activated when frequency 4 is fully accepted and one acts from the superconsciousness. This is where you can use the Galactic Traveling System to navigate your star map and journey on the light path. When galactic trauma appears on the light path, your soul's energy throughout the multiverse is dimmed. Its power is confined within unresolved events where the lessons of that experience are not integrated and are causing disruption in the creation process and affecting the soul's expansion. Acknowledgement of the soul's resources is the gift it brings to its experiences throughout the multiverse and affects the soul's journey and the reality created. The energy will need to be unlocked through the remembrance of blocked energy in other dimensions. Unresolved experiences to which the soul is still engaging without conscious awareness until it's activated by our star sisters and brothers. The reality you're currently creating will shine a light on the process of your soul's expansion journey and pull you back into the grid of separation that holds the energy of suffering. This lower dimension is keeping the trauma locked until the soul's light codes are released. Your soul's light codes are your soul's blueprint activated where the soul's voice is reflecting the soul's expansion journey through the channel of love. The soul's unique vibration is part of the divine source of love and light. You are the love being channeled through light, and your codes are your string of pure healing light from the source. When you become aware of your multidimensional self and ascend to higher frequencies, you discover more of your divine nature and the incredible gifts you bring to the life experience. The illusions created by separation are falling away, and the truth of who you truly are, rays with the sun and reactivates with the moon and are reinforced by planetary shifts, all in support of your soul's journey as a multidimensional traveler. Healing in the realms of your star origin will release blocked soul energy that is affecting your light path and the reality you create. Triggers are activated within frequency 3 and reachable within frequency 4, the superconsciousness, and can only be triggered by other starseeds remembering the same experiences. Trauma healing is in this realm a collective effort where our unique light codes assist in the restoration of vibrational distortion. Now, let's shine a light on how you as a human being can heal galactic trauma. 1. Send a clear signal to align your channel with your cosmic self through intention. 2. Open sacred space with the assistance of divine beings. 3. Connect with your star team, ascension team, or spiritual team. 4. Activate frequency 3 to open the portal to your star. 5. Navigate your light path, allowing the soul to lead the way. 6. Trust in your divine power and channel light codes to assist in the release of blocked energy and the return of power. 7. Integrate the return of power through celebration and decoding with your personal star team. 8. Return to spirit and journey back to now. This is how you, as human beings, can heal galactic trauma. Thank you. Farewell.